Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Google Form in Canva website. So first, open your Canva. Let's just say you wanted to add a Google Form here in this first page or in the second page. What you're going to do is you have to go to any web browser and then go to Google Form and then choose that form that you wanted to add to your Canva. So let's just say you want to add this one. What you're going to do is you just have to simply click this and then you have to click send. Now click this clip icon to get the URL, and all you have to do is to copy that one and go to your Canva. Now in Canva, if you're using the Pro version, you should see the application right here. For example, if you want to add the form right here, so go to apps and then here you have to search for embed. And then once you found the embed, then all you have to do is to click, and then here is where you're going to paste the link. Okay, tap embed and then paste the link. Now, most of the cases, once you paste the link, you will see an error notification or message. So there are tons of instances. Maybe Canva doesn't allow this one, or it's not available at the moment, or let's just say there are some changes here in Canva. But it's okay, there is another method. You just have to simply add a text right here, right click, go to link, paste the embed, and then look for embed or link. Basically, it should be the contact form image right here. And again, maybe there are tons of changes, so maybe Canva doesn't allow this one anymore. Now the very last thing you should do here is all you have to do is add a text, and then this time you just have to simply add the link right here. So for example, you need to right click or tap this three dots, go to link, paste the link that you have copied from Google Form, and then click done, because you can't click the embed here, so just click the link, done. So basically, if they tap this link, it will take them directly to the contact form. But I do really hope that the first and the second method will work for you. If not, then just try the third method. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.